G'day folks, and welcome back to Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Well, today we're having a play with a couple of Mercedes there. That's it. You see that green one on there? That's the 2015 Mercedes AM GT. But actually on the base of the bottom there, when it comes the car there, it says actually it's an AM GTS. But anyway, that's one that I've done before with a set of 5 stars, and I did a tyre swap, took the clean skin tyres off, and I painted the centres of the 5 stars. So we're about to do a red one today. So I've already opened him up, brand new one. These cars are pretty nice. Just show you here the factory details on them. Let's go there. The factory details on them are pretty nice too, and as you can see there, that it says GTS on that logo. The front here is in not too bad shape for a factory mainline car. It's pretty good all together there. I'll do a few things with it later on, but we're just going to do a quick wheel swap today. So I've already drilled the base, so we'll put that on there while we're spinning around. And I've got a set of these 5 stars, like on the other Mercedes, but we're going to put a different set of branded tyres on there. And what I've done is I've painted the centres. Of these very close to as close as I can with the red that I've got, because I can't get out at the moment to go to the store to go and grab paints in different colours. So I've just painted the centres red, as you can see. But then I've cleaned the lip off, so the lip's still nice chrome. So what we'll do is just slide them up and down a bit. Move it around there. We'll actually take the tyres off, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to put PIRELLI P0 tyres on there with tread, instead of just your normal stock tyres, like I was saying, the clean skins. Still a bit of manipulating. Get the PIRELLI tile to the rim. Just cleaning around the edge touch. There we go. That's it with the tyre swap. Okay, so we'll do the rest of those as quick as we can. Like I'm saying, I've already drilled the base, so we've sped the process up there a bit. I hope you're all taken care and all your families are alright and everything's going right and everyone's staying safe. Pretty important issue at the end of the day. Yeah, what's going on? It's good thing. I like these little Mercedes there. I like that. I've got a few other ones there too as well. I've also got one in the line there, the race version, I'll call it, I suppose. It's got all the body kit on it and all the wing and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, just fitting up another set of tyres while we're talking there. Getting them all done. A little tiny bit of lube on the tyre, and you fit them onto the rim. So they're a nice, snug, tight fit. And then there we go. All looking good. Should have probably cleaned the axles a little bit more, but the way I've got cars lined up, wow, unreal. So I'll just make sure that they do spin a lot anyway on the axles. Now, if you don't want the chrome edge or whatever else, I recommend that you put it in. You can get some oven cleaner, or you can CLR lime in that remover. You can use that also for cleaning bases and doing all sorts of other stuff. it'll take the chrome off. You get some of that oven cleaner, that's spray on and wipe off, 5-minute thing, whatever else there. Some of those, most of those take the chrome off as well. And that way, when you paint them, you'll get a better adhesion with the paint instead of painting over the chrome. So it'll still stay in the centre alright, as you can see on the other Mercedes over there on the green one. I think that was fluoro green or yellow or something that I used on there. Yeah, somewhere along the line. And you lose count sometimes on what you're doing when you've got heaps of them in the road. But anyway, this is the fun of doing it all. Alright, now it's handy. I've already drilled the base. I'll just pop him off. I normally have a nice soft cloth to put that on there so I don't actually mark the car. My little favourite tool, because I thought I had myself organised. When you think you got yourself organised, think again. Alright, pop these out because I like to salvage the wheels and axles for plenty of other jobs there. Saves you money. All that sort of stuff. Pop it out so you don't bend it, so you keep them in good shape in case you want to use it on some other job there, because they're not about too bad a looking wheel. Now these ones here, these 5 stars that we've got here, they're all already peened up on either end for a I'll just open that up a little bit more just to make sure it's a lot easier to get the new one in. Doesn't matter if you accidentally break them off, but if you can keep them there, that's even better. And just this wheel spot on this Mercedes here, it'll make it look so cool. Make sure we've got the front on the front. Now I've just drilled this here with a 3.5mm drill, and it just drills it off and they end up like a little ring that comes off on the rivets. So it comes off nice and clean and tight. Most of the time I'm able to get them to clip on, which like that. I still will drill the base. If I do ones here and I'm just going to keep myself that I've just quickly modded up or whatever else there, I'll keep them like that. But there we go. Have a look at that. Made a truckload of difference there now to what it really looks like. I'll bring it up to the camera because the lighting's actually not that flash, and you can see how it looks. Look better there. Just try one more, just one thing while we've got it going there. See what happens there. Just made it a little bit brighter than that. Pop those out of the road. We all know what they were, the stocky ones. And that's the difference that it makes there. Look at that. Just a quick wheel swap there like that there. That was quick and pretty fast. Alright. So there we go. I've done it with a couple of them there. You see the 2 Benzes together there. That's the one on the green, and now we've got one on the red. So, alright guys, take care, stay safe, and we'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks for watching.